Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can turn off web browser extensions in Microsoft Edge. So let us get started and dive into it. Launch the Microsoft Edge web browser, and what you will need to do, guys, is access your extensions management center here on Edge. You may do that by clicking on that extensions tool here at the toolbar in the top right corner. If you don't see it, guys, head over to your browser settings, to appearance here on the left panel, scroll down till you get to other appearance settings, click into toolbar here and enable the extensions tool by clicking into that arrow down icon and by selecting always show. So that should show you the extensions tool here. So simply click into it, select manage extensions, and that is going to redirect you to your extensions management center. So from here you will be given access to all installed and running extensions, like that one here, for example. So if you'd like to disable it, simply toggle it off here to the right. Or if you'd like to enable it back again, toggle it on. You may also remove it entirely by clicking on remove here, and confirm by clicking on remove in the top right. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.